Hello friends, I'm Sally Deshmukh. Today I'm giving seminar on ultrasonic sensor. First we're going to see the history of ultrasonic sensor. Anne Ronald served in Royal Air Force and was fascinated with the sonar and radar and spoke with the people that used ultrasound to test the ship and then paired with engineer Tom Brown after the war to develop the first ultrasound machine. The technology was not believed until the successfully found and diagnosed an ovarian cyst more safely than current technique at that time. The first ultrasound system built in 1958. Here are the ultrasonic sensor, which is piezoelectric and electrostatic. Piezoelectric can be used in rugged environment because the ceramic can be sealed in housing, whereas the electrostatic blacking distance is just 4 or 6 inches, while piezoelectric is 12 or 18 inches. Piezoelectric can be around for many years. When crystal first being used for transducer, electrostatic first was used when silicon machining process begin. First, see the what is an ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor which generates the high frequency sound waves which evaluate the echo which is received back by the sensor, measuring the time interval between sending and receiving the signal. As the name indicates, the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance by using the ultrasonic waves. The sensor head emits ultrasound waves and receives the wave reflected back from the target. Ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to the target by measuring the time between the emission and the reception of the waves. It is the most popular model of the ultrasonic sensor, SR04, which have the distance detection 2 cm up to 400 cm, having the distance detection angle 15 degree. It's required plus 5 volt DC power supply, working current 15 milliampere, resolution up to 0.3 cm. Its measuring angle 30 degree. Diameter of 45, 20 mm and 15 mm. The advantage of ultrasonic sensor compared to the PI sensor, unaffected by changing temperature, also unaffected by the outside motions, which is compared to microwave sensor. It also can detect things that are hard to see, not affected by color, less affected by target surfaces. It also measures the discrete distance to object, but here are some disadvantage of this ultrasonic sensor as narrow detection angle, and it's also unreliable with non-smooth surfaces. This picture shows the models of ultrasonic sensor with the specification. First one is 200 kHz ultrasonic transducer used for the gas flow meter. Having the model name is TG0212. Its center working frequency 200 kHz with tolerance 4%. Electrostatic capacity 1000 picofarad with tolerance 20%. Its bandwidth 20 kHz. Its maximum operating range is less than 100 volt. Second one is 500 kHz ultrasonic transducer for gas flow meter. And third one is ultrasonic transducer for flow meter. Its working frequency up to 2 MHz. This picture shows the models of ultrasonic sensor. First one picture shows the 3-wire ultrasonic sensor. First one is VCC, second is trigger, and third one is echo. This is one of the type of ultrasonic sensor, which is the ping and ultrasonic sensor. It provides precise distance measurement from about 2 cm to 3 meter. It works by transmitting an ultrasonic burst and providing an output pulse that corresponds to time required for the burst. It's also by measuring echo pulse with the distance target can be easily calculated. Here the industry uses of the ultrasonic sensor. First one is car distance sensor, assembly line, also used for high powered cleaning and non-destructive testing. The ultrasonic sensor is not only useful for our capstone design project, but it is used for car distance assembly lines and ultrasonic cleaning and non-destructive testing. Ultrasonic cleaning uses the ultrasound and dinning solvent to dim jewelry, surgical tools, coin, etc. Ultrasound waves can be used to test flaw in materials. It's also used for oscillometer ultrasonic testing used to detect flaw in steel bars and seats to ensure quality. Assembly lines can be automated using distance sensing of object. Thank you.